How come? कसरी यस्तो अथवा के कारणले मलाई के कारणले भनिएन How come I wasn't told? How come I wasn't told? तिमीले के कारणले हामीलाई भेट्नै आउन छाड्यौ How come you never visit us anymore? यस्तो कसरी हुन गयो भन्न खोजेको हो How come you never visit us anymore? अब यो हेरौं त्यसो भए बस कसरी छुट्यो So how come you missed the bus? Miss the bus को अर्थ बस छुट्नु हो So how come you missed the bus? के भइरहेको छ भनेर तिमीलाई कसरी थाहा हुँदैन How come you don't know what's going on? How come you don't know what's going on? अब यो वाक्य उषा कसरी अझै यही छिन् How come Usha is still here? Still here भनेको अझै यहाँ How come Usha is still here? हरिलाई मेरो नाम कसरी थाहा भयो How come Hari knows my name? यो कसरी सम्भव छ भन्न खोजेको How come Hari knows my name? हैन कसरी उसलाई केही थाहै छैन How come she doesn't know anything? How come she doesn't know anything? तिमीलाई यति धेरै कुरा कसरी थाहा हुन्छ How come you know so much? So much भनेको यति धेरै How come you know so much? के भयो भनेर तिमीले मलाई के कारणले सोधेनौ How come you never asked me what happened? What happened भनेको के भयो How come you never asked me what happened? तिमी यति चाँडो कसरी फर्क्यौ How come you got back so early? यो कसरी सम्भव भो अलि ढिलो हुनुपर्ने यति छिटो कसरी भयो भन्न खोजेको How come you got back so early? तपाई हेरिरहनु भएको छ हाम्रो English Guru YouTube channel. Also, be sure to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Subscribe को छेउमा भएको घण्टी पनि बजाउन नभुल्नु होला. स्वार्थी, selfish. त्यति स्वार्थी नबन. Don't be so selfish अथवा don't be that much selfish. Don't be so selfish. Don't be that much selfish. ऊ त्यति स्वार्थी हुनु हुँदैन. He shouldn't be so selfish. Selfish होइन, selfish. Fish है, selfish. He shouldn't be so selfish. ऊ त्यति स्वार्थी हुनु हुँदैन थियो. He shouldn't have been so selfish. He shouldn't have been so selfish. अब यो अर्को वाक्य उनी धनी भए पनि धेरै लोभी छिन्. Although she is rich, she is very greedy. Greedy को अर्थ लोभी. Although she is rich, she is very greedy. ऊ बुढो भए पनि सक्रिय छ. Although he is old, he is active. Although को अर्थ के रहेछ भए पनि. Although he is old, he is active. अब यो हेरौं. संकोच गर्नु अथवा हिचकिचाउनु. Hesitate. Please don't hesitate to call me. मलाई कल गर्न नहिचकिचाउनु है. Please don't hesitate to call me. म त्यहाँ जान हिचकिचाउँछु. I hesitate to go there. I hesitate to go there. Hesitate नभन्नुहोस्, hesitate. Hesitate, hesitate. I hesitate to go there. मलाई पटक्कै रमाइलो लागेन. I didn't enjoy it at all. मजा लिनु अथवा रमाइलो गर्नु. Enjoy it. I didn't enjoy it at all. अर्को पनि वाक्य हेरौं न यसको. रमाइलो गर किनकि समय फर्केर आउँदैन. Enjoy it because time does not come back. Enjoy it because time does not come back. Again, फेरि. फेरि खेलौं. Let's play again. Let's play again. म यो काम फेरि गर्नेछु. I will do this work again. I will do this work again. Cozy को अर्थ हुन्छ न्यानो र आरामदायी. मेरो कोठा न्यानो र आरामदायी छ. My room is cozy. My room is cozy. अर्को पनि वाक्य हेरौं न. हाम्रो कक्षा कोठा न्यानो र आरामदायी छैन. Our classroom is not cozy. Classroom भनेको कक्षा कोठा. Our classroom is not cozy. Be sure to like and share this video. Earn, कमाउनु. तिमी कति पैसा कमाउँछौ? How much money do you earn? How much money do you earn? पैसा कमाउनु छ भने मेहनत गरेर काम गर. Work hard if you want to earn money. Work hard if you want to earn money. Grumpy, रिसाहा. ऊ एक रिसाहा केटा हो. He is a grumpy boy. He is a grumpy boy. मलाई रिसाहा मान्छेहरू मन पर्दैन भन्न. I don't like grumpy people. I don't like grumpy people. Lazy को अर्थ अल्छी. उनीहरू अल्छी मान्छे हुन्. They are lazy people. They are lazy people. अल्छी नहौ भन्नलाई don't be lazy. Don't be lazy. यताउति घुम्नु. roam, R-O-A-M, roam. ऊ यताउति घुमिरहेको छ. He is roaming around. Roaming around भनेको यताउति घुम्नु. He is roaming around. यताउति घुम्नु अगाडि आफ्नो काम सकाऊ. Finish your work before roaming around. Finish your work before roaming around. Yell को अर्थ हुन्छ चिच्याउनु अथवा कराउनु. उसलाई चिच्याउन बन्द गर्नु भन. Tell him to stop yelling. Tell him to stop yelling. तिमी किन यति धेरै कराइरहेको? Why are you yelling so much? Why are you yelling so much? अब यो शब्दमा ध्यान दिनुहोस् त. ANXIETY कसरी प्रोनाउन्स गर्नुहुन्छ त यो? धेरै गाह्रो छैन. म सँगसँगै भन्नुहोस् त. Anxiety. 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 यसको अर्थ चिन्ता अथवा पीर. उनको स्वर चिन्ताले भरिएको थियो. Her voice was full of anxiety. Her voice was full of anxiety. अर्को पनि वाक्य. त्यसो भए उनको चिन्ताको मूल कारण के हो? So what's the root cause of his anxiety? Root cause भनेको मूल कारण. So what's the root cause of his anxiety? अब यो हेरौं. Desperate. Desperate को अर्थ हताश अथवा निराश. His failure made him desperate. उसको असफलताले उनलाई निराश बनायो. His failure made him desperate. उसले आफ्नो सबै पैसा गुमाएपछि निराश थियो. He was desperate when he lost all his money. Desperate, desperate है. अघि बढौं. He was desperate when he lost all his money. Enormous, विशाल अथवा धेरै. Enormous, enormous. मेरी आमामा धेरै धैर्यता छ. My mother has enormous patience. मेरी आमामा धेरै धैर्यता छ. Patience, धैर्यता. मेरी आमामा धेरै धैर्यता छ. आम्मै अथवा मेरी आम्मै कस्तो विशालकार. Goodness, what an enormous car. अथवा my goodness, what an enormous car. Goodness, what an enormous car. My goodness, what an enormous car. आजको भिडियोलाई यति नै. This much for the video. Be sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. Take care, have a great day and I'll see you next time.